If you live in the Maldives, you already know the struggle. Trying to find a specific house on a specific island usually involves scattered information, no proper maps, and asking 3 different locals for directions. That's exactly why I built this, Maldives House Finder, a modern interactive map application that puts nearly 200 inhabited Maldivian islands right in your pocket. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a project I've been working on to solve a massive headache for locals and visitors alike. It's called Maldives House Finder, and it's live right now at map.siamex.com. Let me give you a quick tour of what it can do and how I built it. The goal here was simple: make house discovery interactive and accessible for everyone. Here's what makes it stand out: interactive mapping, smart search, truly bilingual, personalization. Now, for the developers watching, you know I love keeping things lightweight and efficient. I built this using a local-first mindset. The front end is pure HTML5, CSS3, and Vanilla JavaScript. All the data for 168 supported islands is organized cleanly into JSON and JS files. The best part? It is 100% privacy first. Everything runs client-side using your browser's local storage and geolocation API. No tracking, no heavy servers required. The Maldives is unique, and preserving our local identity while bringing in modern web tech is what this project is all about. Whether you're a local trying to find an address or a visitor exploring the islands, this tool is for you. This is also an open source project built for the community. In the future, I plan to add offline map caching, a dedicated mobile app, and more detailed house histories. If you're a developer and want to contribute, I'd love to have you on board. Go to map.siamex.com to try it out right now. Let me know what you think in the comments below. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button. I've got more tutorials and tech projects coming soon, including how I built a Telegram-powered blog using Cloudflare. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.